Bluebirds. Beyond the beauty, there's a secret to a bluebird's brilliance. Unlike most bird colors, their blue isn't from pigment. It's a trick of light interacting with the microscopic structures in their feathers. These tiny wonders act like prisms, bending and reflecting light to create the stunning blues we see. While both male and female bluebirds help raise their young, the females have duller plumage than the males. This might seem counterintuitive, but this drab coloring helps camouflage the female during nesting, making her less visible to predators. Nature's engineering at its finest. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to Animalish channel